Boom, we back. About to do a winter tire changeover and oil change on a 2010 Toyota Corolla. Legit just got back from doing a starter motor on a Honda CRV. Didn't film it. Didn't feel like filming it. Should have, but I needed to get it done quickly. But this I'm gonna film and give you a little time lapse most of it because it's just who doesn't know how to change tires. As a steel, these need a different type of lug nuts because these have these washers on them. Won't fit, but it came prepared. All right. Baby, just gon' tell me, cause you know that I've been patient. This the last time, cause I've been waiting mad time. Alright, we jacked the car up already. It already drained the oil. But I wanted to show you guys something about this car. These Toyotas are a cartridge filter and it's underneath, not up top. It's in a canister and you need a special key to actually open it. It has 3 notches on the side. You have to line the notches up, 1, 2, 3, and then there's another 3 up here. Once you have it flushed, you just push it down, make sure it's seated properly or you will break these notches off. And then you just put your 3/8 ratchet in there. That's loose enough to do by hand now. Make sure your pan's ready. Just like that. And filters in there. That's the tool. That's how it sits on top of the housing. I'll put a link in the description for this tool if you need one, if you have a Toyota and Lexus. I think Lexus is the same. Not sure, but I'm pretty sure. Not sure. All right, let me go put this down. All right, letting the rest of the oil drain out. After you open the filter, more oil gets released into the pan somehow. It's magic. So you want to make sure that gets all out before you refill it. All right, I'm just gonna leave the tool on there because it's kind of stuck, but whatever. All right, same thing, all these canister houses, you want to take the seal off. The new one comes with a Let's see. Hope. You're gonna dip the seal in some oil or put some oil on it. Helps with it sealing the first time you got it on, and then you make sure the seal sits exactly where you took the old one. Go around, make sure it's fine. Good to go. Grab the filter. Line her up, pop her in. That's it. All right. Spray and wipe down the area just so if there is a leak you can see it and it doesn't get confused with the old leaks, and it's also good practice. So you grease everything the best you can, and we're gonna go add some oil. All right, I put the oil in, I checked the level, ran the car, blah blah blah, it's good. Now I'm just airing up the tires to factory specification, and this one's done. Back to the customer, and I have to clean this up. Boom.